Hi everyone, it's Julia, your travel vlogger, and I'm so excited to take you on a tour of this beautiful beach. As you can see, the ocean is absolutely stunning, with shades of blue that seem to go on forever. The sand is soft and white, perfect for walking barefoot and feeling the warm sun on your skin. One interesting fact about this beach is that it's a popular spot for surfing, with some of the best waves in the region. You can see surfers catching some amazing rides out there. And if you look closely, you might even spot some dolphins jumping in the distance. But this beach isn't just about water sports. It's also a great place for a relaxing day out, with plenty of space to spread out and enjoy a picnic or read a book under the shade of an umbrella. And don't forget to take a walk along the shoreline to find some hidden gems, like tide pools filled with colorful sea creatures. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures. Thanks for watching. Hello everyone, it's Julia, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm walking along this beautiful beach, taking in a stunning view of the sea, sand, and people enjoying the sunshine. The ocean is a vibrant shade of blue, and the sand is so soft and white, it's like walking on clouds. As I walk, I can see families and friends playing beach volleyball, building sandcastles, and simply relaxing in the warm sun. Did you know that this beach is famous for its natural beauty and conservation efforts? In fact, it's been recognized as one of the cleanest and most environmentally friendly beaches in the world. The local community works hard to keep this beach pristine and sustainable, so that future generations can continue to enjoy its natural beauty. I feel so lucky to be able to experience this amazing beach and all it has to offer. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures.